A tragic accident in Belgium, where a school bus collided with a train at a railroad crossing. It is unclear why the driver entered the tracks, despite the flashing lights, audible warnings, and lowered barriers. The accident occurred in the town of Buggenhout, several dozen kilometers from the Belgian capital, Brussels. 4 people were killed, including 2 children aged 12 and 15. 5 others are in very serious condition in the hospital.
At 8 past 8, a school bus passed here. It was driving along the railroad. The driver wanted to cross the railroad, which was closed at that time, 8 past 8. A train came from Bruges and drove into the bus. On board of the bus were 7 children, the driver and 1 assistant. The children, so there's 2 children who are not alive anymore, the driver and the assistant, so 4 persons. Other persons are taken care of in the hospital.
It is unclear why the bus carrying the children entered the railroad crossing. The crossing was operational and closed due to an oncoming train. Investigators will now focus on determining the cause, which will not be easy given the driver's death.
What we can tell you, because we have a technical camera installed at the level crossing, is that at the moment of the impact, the level crossing was closed. So that means the barriers were down and the red lights were flashing. So we are trying to understand why the minivan was still going ahead.
The train was approaching a station a kilometer away and was therefore slowing down anyway. But the train driver had no chance of bringing the train to a complete stop. The force of the impact was enormous.
There were about 100 people on the train. One of them was in shock, but they're all fine. Nobody got hurt. And the driver is also taken. The train driver is also taken care of by the NMBS, by the train company.
This is one of the most tragic rail accidents in Belgian history. In European Union countries, about 200 people die annually in similar incidents. Unfortunately, Poland is among the countries where such accidents occur most frequently.